Are you a golfer looking for a brand new home for this upcoming season? Then allow me to show you Unit 3321 here at prestigious Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club, where golf membership is included in the purchase of this new home. We're thrilled to present this rare gem, a brand new, never lived in, 3-bedroom, 2-bath luxury coach home with a 2.5-car garage. Step inside to discover maintenance-free living at its finest. You'll love the incredible open floor plan boasting split bedrooms for ultimate privacy and comfort. And my favorite feature, a door separating the guest wing, providing tons of privacy for you and your guests. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, step out to your screen lanai for an awesome view of the 4th and 5th greens. Or take a short stroll over to the Resort Amenities Center where luxury and fun collide. Dive into the resort-style pool, unwind in the hot tub, or stay fit in the state-of-the-art fitness center. Indulge in a day at the full-service spa, challenge friends at tennis or pickleball, or simply relax with poolside service from the cafe. And get ready for even more as the Grand Clubhouse offering fine and casual dining is on its way. Embrace the golfer in you with membership at the 18-hole Gordon Lewis Championship Golf Course, complete with an aqua driving range, chipping and putting green. Remember, the only way to access these incredible amenities is to be an owner, and that's all included with your low HOA fees. Heritage Landing's prime location near US 41 ensures quick and easy access to downtown Punta Gorda, the Punta Gorda Airport, Fort Myers, Cape Coral, and much more. So be sure to call or text me at 239-269-7911 to schedule your personal or virtual showing. And don't forget to always ask for Alisa.